Hello, I'm Joe from Plus Packaging. I'm here today to show you how to use our serrated seals. Very easy to use. All we need is the strap closest to ourselves. We need to come over the box like so and get our tensioner. So the tension part goes underneath this little application here and also underneath the cutting blade. From there, we get the part furthest away, put it through the cutting blade and through the holes provided. And then tension up to your desired tension. Serrated seal goes face down towards the box, like so. Get our sealer, put it over the seal, give it a push in, cut by pushing down, move it away like so. And that there is how to use our serrated seals.